Good morning, everyone. We will be reciting the multiples of numbers 1 to 10. I will be reciting the multiples of negative 1. Negative 1 times 1 equals negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 equals negative 2. Negative 1 times 3 equals negative 3. Negative 1 times 4 equals negative 4. Negative 1 times 5 equals negative 5. Negative 1 times 6 equals negative 6. Negative 1 times 7 equals negative 7. Negative 1 times 8 equals negative 8. Negative 1 times 9 equals negative 9. Negative 1 times 10 equals negative 10. The multiples of negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 equals negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4. Negative 2 times 3 equals negative 6. Negative 2 times 4 equals negative 8. Negative 2 times 5 equals negative 10. Negative 2 times 6 equals negative 12. Negative 2 times 7 equals negative 14. Negative 2 times 8 equals negative 16. Negative 2 times 9 equals negative 18. Negative 2 times 10 equals negative 20. I will be reciting the multiples of negative 3. Negative 3 times 1 equals negative 3. Negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6. Negative 3 times 3 equals negative 9. Negative 3 times 4 equals negative 12. Negative 3 times 5 equals negative 15. Negative 3 times 6 equals negative 18. Negative 3 times 7 equals negative 21. Negative 3 times 8 equals negative 24. Negative 3 times 9 equals negative 27. Negative 3 times 10 equals negative 30.
I will be reciting the multiples of negative 4. Negative 4 times 1 equals 4. Negative 4 times 2 equals 8. Negative 4 times 3 equals 12. Negative 4 times 4 equals 16. Negative 4, negative 16. Negative 4 times 5 equals negative 20. Negative 4 times negative 4 times 6 equals negative 24. Negative 4 times 8 equals negative 28. Negative 4 times 8. Negative 4 times 8 equals negative 32. Negative 4 times 9 equals negative 36. Negative 4 times 10 equals negative 40.
I will be reciting a multiples of 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals
30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. I will be reciting the multiples of 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 40. 6 times 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 20. 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60.
I will be reciting the multiples of 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 17.
I will be reciting the multiples of 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 34. 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80.
I will be reciting the multiples of 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90.
I will be reciting the multiples of negative 10. Negative 10 times 1 equals negative 10. Negative 10 times 2 equals negative 20. Negative 10 times 3 equals negative 30. Negative 10 times 4 equals negative 40. Negative 10 times 5 equals negative 50. Negative 10 times 6 equals negative 60. Negative 10 times 7 equals negative 70. Negative 10 times 8 equals negative 80. Negative 10 times 9 equals negative 90. Negative 10 times 10 equals negative 100.
Now I will be reciting the perfect squares 1 to 15. 1 raised to the power of 2 equals 1. 2 raised to the power of 2 equals 4. 3 raised to the power of 2 equals 9. 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 16. 5 raised to the power of 2 equals 25. 6 raised to the power of 2 equals 26. 7 raised to the power of 2 equals 49. 8 raised to the power of 2 equals 64. 9 raised to the power of 2 equals 81. 10 raised to the power of 2 equals 100. 11 raised to the power of 2 equals 121. 12 raised to the power of 2 equals 144. 13 raised to the power of 2 equals 169. 14 raised to the power of 2 equals 196. 15 raised to the power of 2 equals 225.
Smiles shall fill the gym as our primary pupils amaze us with their presentation of all things bright and beautiful. A round of applause, please.